I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so blessed. Pray for me, Madura for me. Pray I find my way.
Hey fam, welcome back. Hope you're doing fantastic. So into this video, I'm going to be changing my braids into dreads or faux locks, whatever we would like to call it. Something looking really nice and messy, but still cute, you know. I've already done one, as you can see, so I decided to film it just in case I like the overall outcome. And even if I don't, I'm filming it anyway. Okay, so let's just get started. So this is it I'm going to be using. I bought this from my local African store. I've already taken out the packaging. It comes in a single strand. If I can find it online, I'll put details down below. It's just one of those hair that really mimics our natural hair texture and whatnot, especially mine because my hair is dry, so it looks like it. Okay, so basically I just pick up one strand, I double it, and I just basically wrap it around the braid. So simple, and it's very secure. And when I finish with one strand, I just had another and just keep going, and it still stayed secured. Okay, and I decided to double it, like depending on the size of the braids itself, because the braid on my hair is not like, they're not all equal. So if the braid itself is thicker, I basically just use a single strand instead of doubling it, and then just wrap it, you know what I mean? So I didn't want to be to like it. This doesn't necessarily have to be neat, honestly. Like if you have issues with how this is done, please take it up with yourself. Don't insult me in the comments, because my sister's done this kind of hair before as well, and she got lots of insults about it on Instagram and whatnot. But honey, dreads, faux locks, or whatever, whichever way you choose to do it is your prerogative. All right, so if you've got a problem with it, take it up with yourself. All right, okay. I sound mad, but I'm just saying, I'm just being proactive. And also for the end, I kind of alternate. Sometimes I would braid the end, sometimes I would tie the end. Okay, I was doing other stuff while I was doing this as well, so I wasn't really like fully thinking about it and whatnot, you know what I mean? So whatever it is, so sometimes I would tie, sometimes I would braid it. So here we go, second one is done, and look at the comparison. This is it close up, nice and messy but still cute looking. Okay, so we're gonna keep going with it. I'm just going to keep alternating between doubling up the strand or using a single strand and tying the end or braiding the end. All right, I've had this braids on for a couple of weeks now, so yeah. And shout out to my sriracha mayonnaise sriracha bottle that's just peeking on the screen right there. Anywho, so I'm gonna keep wrapping and I'll speak to you shortly. So here we go. This is it all done. Bob's your uncle. This is so easy to do that it needed no explanation, literally. And by the way, babes, this was heavy, especially for the first couple of days. But after that, it went lighter. And I basically just wrapped a couple of strands, with this twine. Literally, yes, this is a twine. We're going, bad and bougie with it. Not bougie, but you know what I mean. So I just picked a couple of hair, like I did about 4 or so, just have the highlight and just kind of, and honestly, this kind of made me feel more African. Like this brought up my African side, doing my hair in the backyard, cooking on the, in a shackle and stick in the backyard. Anyway, let me stop talking. But yeah, so that's it, babes. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, I didn't say it in the previous video. Happy New Month, babes. We're finally in December. I am going to be doing Vlogmas this month, but not daily Vlogmas. I'm going to be doing weekly like I did last year. Okay, so if you're looking forward to that, let me know down below. The first Vlogmas video will be up at the end of this week. Okay, or it's already up if this video went up after that. Anyway, so here we are. Let me show you my face with makeup. Bam! Hello. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, babes. I love you guys so much. Well, evidence to love yourself, and I'll see you, babes, in my very next video. Bye.